In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix channels disappearing in Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and open Microsoft Teams first. Once it loads, look over to the left sidebar where your chats and channels are listed. At the very top of that list, check whether a filter is turned on. You might see something like Chats, Channels, or Unread selected there. If one of those filters is active, that can make some channels seem like they've disappeared when they're really just being hidden by the current view. Simply click the selected filter again to turn it off. Then give the list a second to refresh and see if your missing channels come back. If they're still not showing, stay in the left sidebar and find the team where the channels are missing. Click the team name to expand it so you can see the full channel area. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that channel list. You should see an option that says See All Channels. Click that, and Teams will show you channels that may not currently be visible in your main list. On the right side of any hidden channel, click Show. That puts the channel back into view so it appears normally again under that team. If you have more than one hidden channel, take a moment here and reveal each one you want back in the list. If the issue is more about how chats and channels are being displayed together, there's one more setting to check. In the Chats section, look near the magnifying glass icon and click the three dots beside it. From the drop-down menu, choose Customize View. This should take you straight into the chats and channel settings automatically. At the top, the first option lets you choose between Combined and Separate. If your layout is set to Combined, that can sometimes make it harder to spot where your channels went. Especially if everything is grouped into one stream, change that setting to Separate. As soon as you do, the layout updates, and you should notice that a team icon now appears below the chat icon. That means chats and teams are now split into clearer sections, which makes your channels much easier to find and manage. At this point, your missing channels should be visible again, either because the filter was turned off, hidden channels were shown again, or the view was switched to a separate layout. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, if you're helping someone else with this, make sure they check all three areas in the same order. Filters are the fastest thing to fix. Hidden channels are the next most common cause, and the combined view setting is usually the reason the layout feels confusing. Once those are checked, Teams is usually much easier to navigate.